Hello, my dear English learners. Welcome back to Beginner English Zone. Today, we are going to learn 100 English sentences while cleaning the kitchen. Are you ready? Let's begin. I open the kitchen door. I open the kitchen door. I switch on the kitchen light. I switch on the kitchen light. I look around the kitchen. I look around the kitchen. I see dirty plates in the sink. I see dirty plates in the sink. I fill the sink with water. I fill the sink with water. I add dishwashing liquid. I add dishwashing liquid. I soak the plates in the water. I soak the plates in the water. I scrub the plates one by one. I scrub the plates one by one. I wash the spoons and forks. I wash the spoons and forks. I clean the glasses gently. I clean the glasses gently. I rinse everything with clean water. I rinse everything with clean water. I place the dishes in the rack. I place the dishes in the rack. I wipe the kitchen counter. I wipe the kitchen counter. I clean the gas stove. I clean the gas stove. I remove the stove burners. I remove the stove burners. I wash the stove parts. I wash the stove parts. I dry the stove with a cloth. I dry the stove with a cloth. I put the burners back. I put the burners back. I sweep the kitchen floor. I sweep the kitchen floor. I collect the garbage. I collect the garbage. I throw the waste in the bin. I throw the waste in the bin. I wipe the dining table. I wipe the dining table. I arrange the chairs properly. I arrange the chairs properly. I clean the fridge door. I clean the fridge door. I wipe the fridge handle. I wipe the fridge handle. I check for expired food. I check for expired food. I throw old food away. I throw old food away. I organize the fridge items. I organize the fridge items. I wash the vegetable basket. I wash the vegetable basket. I clean the kitchen tiles. I clean the kitchen tiles. I scrub the tile stains. I scrub the tile stains. I wipe the cupboard handles. I wipe the cupboard handles. I arrange the kitchen shelf. I arrange the kitchen shelf. I dust the kitchen windows. I dust the kitchen windows. I open the window for air. I open the window for air. I clean the window glass. I clean the window glass. I wipe the window grill. I wipe the window grill. I place the clean jars. I place the clean jars. I close all the containers. I close all the containers. I clean the mixer jar. I clean the mixer jar. I clean the pressure cooker. I clean the pressure cooker. I clean the oven inside. I wipe the oven buttons. I wipe the oven buttons. I clean the microwave. I clean the microwave. I wipe the kitchen sink. I clean the tap. I clean the tap. I arrange the kitchen towels. I arrange the kitchen towels. I fold the clean towels. I fold the clean towels. I clean the chopping board. I clean the chopping board. I wash the knife carefully. I wash the knife carefully. I clean the storage rack. I clean the storage rack. I check the grocery list. I check the grocery list. I wipe the kitchen bottles. I wipe the kitchen bottles. I clean the oil bottles. I clean the oil bottles. I wipe the spice boxes. I wipe the spice boxes. I close the spice jars tightly. I close the spice jars tightly. I put the tea container in place. I put the tea container in place. I clean under the gas cylinder. I clean under the gas cylinder. I wipe the kitchen switchboard. I wipe the kitchen switchboard. I remove dust from the corners. I remove dust from the corners. I spray room freshener. I spray room freshener. I light a scented candle. I light a scented candle. I keep the broom in the corner. I keep the broom in the corner. I wash the kitchen cloth. I wash the kitchen cloth. I put the apron back. I put the apron back. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I clean the kitchen mat. I clean the kitchen mat. I fold the mat. I fold the mat. I check the gas knob. I check the gas knob. I make sure everything is off. I make sure everything is off. I take a last look. I take a last look. I smile at the clean kitchen. I smile at the clean kitchen. Well done, my dear English learners. You did an amazing job today. We have just completed 100 useful English sentences while cleaning the kitchen. These sentences will help you speak English naturally during your daily activities. Remember, practice makes progress, so repeat these sentences again and again until they become easy for you. You can use them every day while working in the kitchen. This way, you are not only cleaning your kitchen, but also improving your English. Thank you for spending your time with me today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beginner English Zone. I'll see you in the next video with more real-life English learning. Until then, take care and keep practicing. Bye-bye!